welcome to my channel. Today I am outside in my backyard and I'm going to teach you how I grew this little avocado tree. So the first thing is your supplies. You're going to need water, a Ziploc bag, a sharp knife, I got this little guy, scissors, your avocado seed, paper towel, and a bottled water, or I use this sparkling ice bottle. This is my favorite flavor, by the way, pink grapefruit, so good. And what you're going to do is, first you're going to get your avocado seed. And you see this little brown coating that's on there, make sure that it's nice and dry first, and then start peeling away at the cover that it has. So I started here, you can see the bottom, and you just want all of that coating off. Here is a closer picture of the avocado seed without the coating. If you leave some on there, it's okay, but this is ready. Okay, once you have taken the coating off of the avocado seed, you're going to grab your paper towel and wet it. I'm just going to dunk it in here. Make sure that the paper towel is really wet. Then you're just going to wrap the avocado seed inside of the paper towel. When you have this little package, you're going to get your Ziploc bag and then place it inside of the bag. And make sure to get all of the air out, and then close the bag. And now you're just going to sit this somewhere in your home and forget about it for a week or two, and just periodically check in on it, see if any roots start growing. I recorded little clips of this seed when it was growing and the process that it went through. So I'll add that in, and you'll see how the root will start to grow from the bottom. Once it gets, I want to say about an inch long, that's when you're going to want to place the seed in a water bottle or somewhere where the roots can touch the water. So what I did was I used this bottle and I cut the top off. Once you have cut the bottle, just take the lid off, recycle it, place the top upside down, and then you're going to place your avocado seed in there, and the root will hang below. And like I said, you're gonna want the roots to touch the water, so fill this part up with water before you. And what happens is the tree starts to grow from the top of the seed, and the roots from the bottom. I'm going to actually plant this one inside of this pot that I got. I got this one, I think, at Lowe's. It has a really cute design, and inside it has blue little polka dots. I forgot how much it was, but I'll put it down below. Now it's time to give this little baby a new home. I like to leave the seed on top of the soil, that way the tree can continue to grow. I just moved it from the water bottle because you want to give the roots some space to grow. So actually here, once I feel like the little tree is, you know, growing up and needs a little bit more space for its roots, I will take it out of here and actually plant it outside and hope that one day it will grow me some beautiful, yummy avocados. So I hope that you like this video. If you do, please click like and subscribe. I will start posting more videos, different kinds of videos. Gardening will definitely be one, as plants are one of my favorite things to talk about. And don't forget to water your baby, and have a beautiful day.